Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Komelezani kuti sikulu simunayambe. Ati sorry. What up, my beautiful people? What's up, Malawi? Good morning. Yeah. Kuri kunafika mate. Mano madziwo. Sabone ya. Madziwo sabone. What's up, Malawi? Akufada mu Benz. Yeah, it's really mu Benz chief. Siri mu Benz yayi. Benz siri mabira nayo kuplot. Benz siri mabira nayo kuplot yayi. But yeah, I have a surprise for you guys. It's a thing that I've been working on for a very, very long time. Yeah, it's a very long time. Abo bikari kunama. Omwana wambo yakhala kuti kondera ndithu. And zakazi kuyenda ndithu mukapesika kachisomo. But yeah, when was it? It was in 2018. That's when I had my first breakthrough song. Nyimbo imene Malawi inarizira kuroke kwa Eli Njuchi. Of course, paneso nyimbo zina ndi zina zimene tinkaimba ndi Njuchi that time. And I'm grateful for those days, you know. I'm grateful for every single person amene nakhala ndikugwirana ntchito since kale, you know. And fast forward to 2019, I moved to Blantyre, Ambila Madziwo. Fast forward to 2019, I came to Blantyre. Kusapusha ngini basi, you know. And ndinafikira ku Bangwe. Nami yango kumene koko ndi kumene fere makaya ndi kumene takulira. Gero yachina zonke, gero yachina Fadamoti, you know, achina Mbuga. All of those guys, they are my friends. Anthu okuti ndakula nawo ndithu. And tinkagona tinkagona mukanyumba nditu kena kake kakang'ono kwambiri, you know, koma timagonamo anthu ambiri, timagonamo around anthu 6, you know. And a big shout out to Don't Shatter. I know you're watching Don't Shatter. Big shout out to you. And umuntu wokuti sananthandiza kwambiri, you know. So I used to stay there. Najo kwa kumugoma kolo. And my parents were like, what's really going on? What are you? Wow. Matsu. That's all. What's really going on, Manawanga? She was like, come home and all of that. Then I was like, you know what, Master? I feel like I need to just push my dream. You know, my dream was to just do music, was to be a musician. I wanted to do what I love, you know. And it's been good since. In this Zambia, zokuri ndikuzokufotokoza Zambia, zokuri tikuza kuza kumaliza tsiku lose, you know. But chachikulu ndi chakuti God has been good, no lie. God has been good. And Odi. Madzuka? Madzuka. Akwacho kukako. Mazikuchitika? Mwalawo watibatsa busy mwana.
Mimi ndodu. Ndimo makhalira ndikanyera ngoja kuti. Ndipo kumana ndizowawa pasipa. Sira mango pendeka ngokweka.
Itia nazo ni nditu. Itia nazo. So yeah. Andi nakalipa. Osada ndawa nakalipa. Nditu. So yeah, man, God has been good, and I don't really like showing people my personal achievements, kwambili, and I'm sure anthu angapo anapanga notices zimene zonse. I don't like posting zinthu zokuti it has nothing to do with my music, you know. And Lero inari in the truth. No, Dzulo actually. We were like, and I think it's about time now that people start seeing what Chifuniro Magalas is doing. What's that Eli Njuchi what Chifuniro. So I had a very long chat with my managing team. Managing team yangasima rola AI kuti tizipo stars into zimene tikufuna tizaonetsa anthu zinthu zimene tikufuna. But then I had a very long chat with my manager, and he was like, okay, Bobo, you can do it. So I wanted to show you guys this. Ready? I wanted to show you guys my project. This is what I've been working on beside music. Ready? And it's by grace. It's by grace. Mwana kuti kumanga nyumba ndi just music alone. It's all grace. You know? So aside the Benz and all of that, this is what we're also working on. This is what Eli Njuchi is also working on. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. And I'm grateful, no lie, guys. I'm grateful. And I love you guys so much, because without you guys, sizingatheke yayi. Without you guys, kulibeko Eli Njuchi. Without you guys. So Mogondan, guys. Mogondan kwambiri. Support ranga Mogondan kwambiri. No. Simadziwa kuti makala makuthandiza anthu angati through me. Yeah, Jabun. Hanyamara sana figure, right? Okay. Hi, Jabun. Young friend. Jabun, digilan Dubai. Dubai lagi. Hi. Ini gue biasa. So I love you guys. One time.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.